Just a quick tip I want to point out, this countdown clock. I think that's something that's overlooked, especially by a lot of newer traders. This clock here can determine when you should enter a trade, and it can also determine the difference between a winning or a losing trade. And I'll explain what I mean. I trade on a 1 minute time frame always, so each candle you see here is 1 minute in time. And as a new candle forms and starts, this clock will count down from 60 seconds down to 0. And then the next candle forms, 60 seconds to 0, and it does that over and over again. So you see something like this right in here. You see this big candle standing up. The next one, it's pulling up a little more. You're getting all excited and you want to jump in. Take a quick glance before you enter at this clock and see how much time is left on the candle you want to enter on. If there's only a few seconds left, 4 seconds, 10 seconds, it may pay you to wait those few extra seconds to see what the next candle is before you jump in. And then once the next candle forms, give that a few seconds to see which way it's going to go. So, for example, if you were to get in right here on this green candle, say up here at the top, you're all jumpy, it's moving up, there only may be a few seconds left. If you were to get in and not wait those few seconds, boom, down it comes, down, 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 down. So again, give it that time. If there's just a few seconds on the clock to see what the next candle is. If this is green going up a little higher, then you're probably in pretty good shape. But if you get in with just a few seconds left, that next candle could surprise you. Give it that extra time.